Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khulume with Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and most definitely subscribe. One thing about abantu baseMzansi guys, kude into lebahlulako. If into bayifuna batoyi-investigator and batoyithola. Thabo Bester guys, appearile guys court and he was wearing a sweater guys, Louis Vuitton guys, that is expensive guys. But abaningi guys bayiseshile le sweater baze bayithola bayibona guys ukuthi costa malini, and people were like, what the hell? So Thabo Bester guys ukuthi whenever he appears court noma ngabe uyavela ukuthi uyangena vele sembone live or guys kuma-Zoom meeting what he always makes sure guys ukuthi ukhipha linyawo guys ugqoka kahle always bese mjwayele ngokuthi guys ugqokele Nike simjwayele vele ukuthi okay umbhuti wemgwazi one-girlfriend yakhe umfati wakhe rara vele abantu bemgwazi guys bagqokele Nike, but yeah surprisile best makavela ngeLouis Vuitton guys. Kanti balabaningi guys abawuvala imlomo ngale jersey lakhe ngendlela lidura ngakhona. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi umugayi uyithwele yonke. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.